In the last unit, I showed you how to multiply these, and I told you that there were 3 different ways. I know multiple ways to multiply, and one of them was to go first this times this, and then this times this. It's called double distribute or FOIL. This times this and this times this. The other way, and I consistently pulled this underneath and used the multiplication algorithm. There's another one called a box method, and because you guys do genetics in science, you might be able to do this and watch this. I never got a lot of success when there was a negative. That's why I don't tend to do it, but they're going to actually do the factoring by going to reverse. So if you do it in this method, notice I put x plus 5 across the top and x plus 3. The signs is what's going to get you, especially this one when it's a negative. That's usually where the mistake happens. So what you're going to do is you're going to just do boxes and fill in the boxes. So x times x is x squared. X times 5 is positive 5x. Positive 3 times x is positive 3x. Positive 3 times positive 5 is positive 15. And then when you do these to get the product, you just go down the diagonals. And so your answer would be x squared plus 5x and 3x is 8x and 15. Now again, when I taught this, I never got, when they're all positives, that's not a problem, but when there's not, there tends to be a problem. But we're going to practice this again. So you put x plus 4 and 2x plus 1, and you follow the boxes. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x plus times 4 is 8x. 1 times x is x. 1 times 4 is 4. Go across the diagonals, and you get 2x squared plus 8x. Oops, 9x, because 8x and 1x plus 4 as your product. Some of you may want to do it this way. I don't mind if you do it this way when you multiply also. Just be aware of your ugly little negatives. And all of these are positive, so I'm not being able to show you where the mistake is, but if I run against one, I will. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 5 is 10x. 1 times 2x is 2x. 1 times 5 is 5. Across the diagonals, I get 4x squared plus 12x plus 5. So that is another way to multiply, and the reason I'm showing you this is when we start to factor, it's going to give you boxes like this, and you're going to undo it. So notice when you're done your boxes, your x squared stays in the top left, your x's across your diagonals, and your constants are in the bottom right.